Okay, today's date is 4 April 2022. Today's topic is the instant variable, static variable, and instant method, static method, instant block, static block. First of all, my name is Atullah Shubhal Mugle, and I did complete my graduation in BE Mechanical, and I am from Ahmednagar district. So let's go to another topic, instant variable, static variable, instant method, static method, and instant block and static block. First is the instant variable. So difference between instant variable and static variable means the instant variable means the variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method is called as an instant variable. It is declared as static. Then it is called as an instant variable because its value is instant specific and it not shared among instances. So static variable. In the static variable that is declared static is called as a static variable. It cannot be a local. We can create a single copy of the static variable and share it among the static variable and share it among the all the instant of the class. The memory allocation for static variable is happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory. So static and the static block and instant block. Static block known as the static initialization block in Java, and the instant block is also known as non-static initialization block in Java. So static blocks executes before the instance block in Java. So instance block executes after the static blocks in Java. Basically, static variable can be accessed inside the static block. So static and non-static variable means the instance variable can be accessed inside the instance block. So the static blocks can be used for initializing static variable and calling any static method in Java. So instance block can be used for the initializing the instant variable. So calling an instance method in Java. So static blocks executes when class is loaded in Java. Instant block execute only when the instance of class is created, not called when class is loaded in Java. These keywords cannot be used in static block. So this keyword cannot be used in an instance blocks. So this is our difference between the static block and the instance block. After that the instance method, difference between instance method and the static method. So in instance method, which acquired an object of its class to be created before it can be called. So this is it involved a method instance and we have created an object of the class in which the method is defined. So in after that the instance method belong to the object of the class, not to the class. They can be called after creating the object and of the class. So instance methods are not stored on a pre-instance basis. Even with the virtual method, they store in the single memory location, and they only known which object they belong to because of this pointer is passed when you call them. So they can be override since they are revolved using dynamic binding at runtime. After that, the static method. In a static method are the methods in Java that can be called without creating an object of a class. they are referenced by the class name and itself, or references to the object of that class. So static method are associated with the class in which they reside. They are called without creating an instance of the class name method. So this is our today's topic. So thank you.